This is my nanay po pala, no? As you can see, minumove niya yung halaman niya. So, this is what she's doing for the whole day. Especially pag makulimlim na every afternoon. So, yan. That's why at her age of 65 years old, she's still healthy because she's doing the things that she really like and she really loves. So I think that's the reason why she's not in bad situation ever since. So yun po. Sa last part ng video na ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang natapos. Actually, yung landscaping niya sobrang ganda. We didn't expect na may sense siya pagdating sa pagla-landscaping. So, yun po. Kita nyo naman. Ayan. So, ito po yung front gate. Sa tapat po ng namin, na front gate po namin. Yan po yung nagawa niya for today. Kita nyo yung miracle fruit niya, or calabash kung tawagin. Yan. Yan po yung kanyang mga natapos for the day. And on this part naman po, sobrang ganda ng ginawa niya. As you can see, very organized yung stone, yung kanyang mga fat, yung pag-combination ng kanyang halaman, color ng leaves niya. Yan. Ito po ay sa may patio namin or sa may lanay. Sobrang ganda. Ito po yung favorite na halaman niya. As you can see, sobrang linis po, di po ba? So, with that, makakatipid kayo kung may nanay din po kayong ganito. Sobrang hilig maghalaman. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you.